No, nothing.
I don't want to take that Goodman thing.
Goodman?
The one that fell off.
Oh, that's a Goodman logo that fell off.
I almost want to rip it off.
No. It's private property.
That thing's about to fall off.
I'll get the date on this one real quick. 2020. Oh, this is brand new. 2021.
There you go, boy.
Okay.
Well, dude.
Well, I guess. Well, I guess there's more, but I guess. Well, I'm gonna do a stopping point here. There's just. Well, and actually, it's a Mirror Star.
Don't worry about it. You can tell me later.
I don't know if any these cake didn't defrost. Oh! Sweet, this one just kicked into. That one just kicked in. This one just kicked in defrost. But I think this is our last. These are our last heat pumps. Oh, this is actually kind of frozen. I might get a steam show.
I did not get any video. Do you want me to get a video?
You can get a video. Oh, that one's turned on.
Hey, so we're just about ready to go. I'm gonna grab a quick thing here, and I want to get the video about what it's like. Ice.
Oh, Carlos. Yo, Carlos, look at this. Look at this one. This one's frozen up. This one's.
Ooh, that one's got ice. That person hasn't been home. All right, bye.
This one's frozen over. I mean, this thing's.
Can you imagine when that person gets back home
Holy.
and they turn their unit on?
Holy crap, that's solid ice.
That thing's gonna have to be in defrost for so long.
Yeah. Someone might. Yeah.
Did you get that on camera?
Oh, I heard one over there kicked in defrost. Two defrost cycles at the same time. Yo. There's one. One over here just kicked in defrost. This one. Oh, did this a Mirror Star? This little Mirror Star didn't, but that other Goodman. Are there just defrost cycles everywhere? Oh! I thought I heard. Oh, that one just kicked out of defrost. Man. So, this one was defrosting, and then that one was defrosted, and then this one's not defrosting. I'm only going to be here for a little bit. I think this is going to turn on here. Is it steaming? Oh, I thought I saw steam. Okay, well this one is in defrost right now.
It is?
Yeah, it's in defrost.
Cool.
Oh, that.
But you're not going to get a steam show. Is that what you're waiting for?
I thought it was steaming. It might. Oh my gosh, that's a plane right there.
You have to like throw some water in there and let it freeze.
Here's a little Mirror Star. This actually looks kind of frozen. Let's it's a tune. It's all right. Well, right. I guess. Well, there you have it. There you go. I got 4 defrost cycles. This video. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna just hit. Yeah, you're right, but oh. Yeah, none of these are running now. All right, over and out.
Try not to go in.
That one's defrosting, but I can't get to it because there's a door right there. But whatever, there's more up here.